Today we're going to take a look at the Apiuek Portable Electric Pressure Washer, a versatile powerhouse designed to tackle even the toughest cleaning tasks with ease. Should you find yourself interested in purchasing this product while watching this video, please refer to the links provided in the description. Now let's dive in. The Apiuek Portable Electric Pressure Washer is equipped with a powerful 14.5 amp/1800 watt motor, generating up to 3,800 psi and 2.4 GPM of water flow. This means you can cover a larger area in a shorter amount of time, making your cleaning sessions both faster and more efficient. The inclusion of a foam cannon allows for instant foaming, while the 4 quick connect nozzles ranging from 0 degrees to 40 degrees provide flexibility for various cleaning needs. Whether it's for blasting tough grime, washing cars, or cleaning fence lines, this pressure washer offers an all-around solution. Plus, its portability ensures you can easily move it to any location that needs cleaning. As for reasons to buy, the key highlights are its powerful motor and the versatile nozzle options that cater to different cleaning tasks. However, as a point of concern, the unit can be slightly louder than other models. Overall, it remains a highly efficient and convenient choice for comprehensive cleaning needs. In comparison to others in its category, this pressure washer strikes an effective balance between price and quality, delivering robust performance without breaking the bank. It's especially ideal for homeowners looking for a reliable, multifunctional cleaning tool. For more details about the Apiuek Portable Electric Pressure Washer, including where to buy and updated pricing, be sure to check out the product links in the description. Also, if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.